Nobody talks about how scary it is when your friend doesn't change their personality around your parents. Because there's this kid at my school that I really liked hanging out with, but he liked to make really inappropriate jokes. And one day, we decided to hang out at my house for the first time. But when we get there, I introduce him to my parents, and I expect him to act like a normal human being and say something like, "Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Vitelli. Thank you for letting me come over." But instead, the first thing that comes out of his mouth when he sees my parents is, "Oh, so you guys are the ones that created Tyler in the bedroom." Why would you say that? It's like you want my parents to spank me with the belt. But the worst part was that after he said this, you could tell by the look on his face that he didn't regret it. So I was like, oh no, it's gonna get worse. So I just pretended that one of our other friends texted us asking to hang out so we could leave the house. But from that point on, I learned to never bring that man around my parents again.